Hi, I'm Gloria, and I am the CEO and co-founder of the Ellatone device. So today I'm just going to show you what's inside of the Ellatone. We love the packaging. This is a foil package, and this holds the gel pads. There's 5 of them that come in this pack. Very easy to open, but it's also reusable to store the other gel pads that are in here. So let me take one out. You can see how thin it is. It has 2 snaps on this side, and on this side, you can see that there's 4 conductive areas, which are the blue areas. You can see how flexible it is, and it is sticky. But don't worry, it doesn't pull hair. So this is the Ellatone box, and if you open up, you can see how nice it is. Now there's the controller, and I'll talk about that in a second. You have a couple of the cables in there. This opens up into a nice little case to hold everything at the end. There's a quick reference guide that you can actually tear off and put into the case, and then the user manual in the bottom. Here is a charging cable. This little blue flap, that's the USB port. So you would just need to pull that up, stick this in, and then stick this into a USB port. And then once it's charged, you'll actually see the green light coming on. That's how you know that it's charged. The other cable is called the patient cable. You would just snap it to the gel pads. Peel this off, place it on your body, and then once it's in place, you put this into the bottom of this controller, and it has a little port, fits right in. And then you simply, either button turns it on. You can see the blue light, and the blue light shows the intensity level that you're at. You just keep increasing it, and the blue light goes up. You want to go as high as you possibly can with it staying comfortable. You'll see the orange light over here. That means it's active, and when the orange light goes off, that means you're in a pause or rest mode. But if you want to turn it off, either button, 2 seconds, and it comes right off. On the back, there's a belt clip that you can use to put on your clothes, very discreet, and that comes off as well if you don't want to use this, and that's about it. That's ready to go. Put that in your purse.